Today's topic is property investment. I'm going to share with you an overview of property investment. What are the advantages of property investment, the benefits, the challenges you run into, and what you must be careful of so that you make your investment a success. Property investment is a journey. So when you start on the journey, there's certain things you have to have in place. So the reason people get into property investment, because it's been known to be the safest, lowest risk investment of your cash or your investor's cash. So the reason one gets into property investment is for creating passive income. Done well, within 7 to 10 years, done properly, you can actually earn the amount of cash flow which is equivalent to your salary. So when you match that salary, you can retire because the property is generating that surplus cash flow for you, which you can use to make a living out of it. So you can do this within 7 to 10 years. Now, that's done the right way. Now, done the wrong way, you can end up losing up to 300,000 Rand or more. How it works is you get the wrong advice. You listen to somebody who's never bought a property and gives you advice about property investment. You buy a property at the wrong price because you didn't do your homework, or you have bad tenants because you didn't do proper screening of your tenants at the beginning. So these are the things that can go wrong. However, these are the things that don't have to be your problem anymore or your challenges, because these are the things I can show you how to overcome it. The biggest challenge that property investors have today is getting other people's money, getting bank bonds to finance their investment. So what happens is you find a great deal, but there's no money. You find a great deal, you go to the bank says no, you can't make them, they will not loan you the money, and it just stops there. So that's the biggest challenge that one experiences. Second challenge is when people have got properties, they have tenants, they don't do proper screening, they don't manage them properly, the tenants stop paying, so it actually creates a problem with a steady cash flow. You need a steady cash flow because you're depending on the rents to actually pay a large portion of your loans, which is the bonds, and the balance is your surplus. So if you don't have this in place, that can be a big problem, which could end up where you lose that, where it could add up to losing the 300,000. So the reason I'm talking to you is those two challenges, they don't have to be your challenge anymore. So how do you overcome those two challenges? So let me tell you about myself. I'm Alan Warnitz. I'm a professional property investor, and I'm a property coach. So I can show you how to overcome those challenges. So in 2013, I experienced the same challenges. I found the deals, went to the bank said no, because I was overcommitted. So I didn't give up. I said no, I need to find out how to actually handle this thing. I found the secrets. Within 2 years, by 2015, I raised 5 bonds, bought 5 houses. And within 4 years after that, to 2019, I raised another 6 bonds. So within 4 years, between 2015 and 2019, I raised 11 bonds and bought 11 properties. And those properties are generating cash flow and are generating a passive income. So because this was done the right way. So I can show you how to do this. I have the skill, I've walked the walk, I talk the talk, and I can show you how to do that. And you don't need to be experienced on it, because when I show you how to do it, I will show you the tricks and how to go about it so that this challenge doesn't exist anymore. So when you find the right deal, or you still have the deal, I'll be able to guide you on how to do it. Thank you for listening to me, and I hope to hear from you on your journey, and if I can be of any assistance in tackling this thing, unlocking these problems so that you can also have these challenges become something of history for you tomorrow, then we'll be very happy to work with you. Thank you for listening, and I trust to hear from you soon.